Here at Mahlkönig, we're always looking for ways to refine and improve our products. That's why today we're introducing our latest Grind by Sync software update for our professional espresso grinders, the E65 and the E80W GbS, designed to make Grind by Sync more flexible, more intuitive, and more powerful to use. For example, in this update, you can now use the sync system directly from the grinder by entering your brew time manually after an espresso has completed with manual sync. It gives you complete flexibility to use the sync system to enable automatic grind size adjustments with any setup, with no additional configuration, equipment, or connections required. We've also introduced Assisted Dial-In, a simple step-by-step guide to help you build your perfect recipe with absolute confidence. All setup tools are now available directly from the main menu of your grinder, so everything you need is right where you'd expect it to be. Another fun feature, you can also customize the welcome screen of your grinder with your name or the name of your business. It's a small detail, but one that makes your Mahlkönig grinder feel truly yours. Also, grind size can now be adjusted even when in an active GbS recipe, giving you more control exactly when you need it. There's also a new Brew Time Tolerance setting, so you can define how precisely sync responds to changes. So you can tailor this behavior to match your workflow. You can now assign specific espresso machine group heads within your setup, making multi-group environments more streamlined and consistent. This update brings more control, more flexibility, and even more refined Grind by Sync experiences. So make sure that your grinder is set up with automatic updates so you can benefit from everything this new software update has to offer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and one of the team will get back to you. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.